The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Use tall instead of tallest. Read the instructions carefully and then look at the options carefully. And as usual, apply the method analyze, eliminate and choose. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. So this is your degree of comparison question. Revise the rules of degree of comparison. Adjectives. Very few animals are as tall as the giraffe. No other animals is as tall as the giraffe. The giraffe is one of the tall animals. And option D, no other animal is as tall as the giraffe. Let's analyze, eliminate and choose now. So the question here we have superlative degree, tall, taller, tallest. We'll have to use the positive degree, tall. And how will you use it? You will have to begin your sentence with no other if you are going to transform the degree into a positive one. So, no other animals is as tall as the giraffe. No other animal is as tall as the giraffe. Both the options are similar. What is the difference between them? This is the right answer, and the difference, notice the difference, no other animals, no other animal. Always, whenever you are beginning your sentence with no other, use the singular number for the subject. No other animal is as tall as the giraffe. Option D is the right answer. Option B is incorrect because here no other animals, plural number is incorrect. Let's now analyze and eliminate the other two options as well. Very few animals are as tall as the giraffe. No, the meaning is not the same. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Superlative. Very few animals are not there as tall as the giraffe. And you also do not frame your sentence like this. Along with very few, you do not use as tall as. With very few, you will have to use the comparative degree. So eliminate this. And the giraffe is one of the tall animals. Again, here it is specifically mentioned that the giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. So one of the tall animals is incorrect. Option D is the right answer. Tall, taller, tallest. Degree of comparison. Next. Why did Ram skip the checkup? Change the voice. Active, passive rules. Revise active, passive. Why was the checkup skipped by Ram? Why was Ram skipping the checkup? Why was the checkup being skipped by Ram? Why was the checkup skipped? What is the right answer? We'll start from option D. Why was the checkup skipped? Yes, this is partly correct, but where is the agent here? Where is the object? Why was the checkup skipped by whom? By A, by B, by C, Ram, Raja, Rahim, Rashi, whom? This is not mentioned. This is omitted here. So option D is not correct. Eliminate it. Why was the checkup being skipped by Ram? But here the tense is simple past tense. Why did Ram skip the checkup? You're not supposed to use being skipped here. Again, eliminate it. Why was Ram skipping the checkup? Again, wrong tense. Eliminated. Why was the checkup skipped by Ram? Past tense and by Ram is mentioned. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Always analyze, eliminate and choose. Apply the rules of grammar. Though skilled in art, she was not taken to the competition. Begin despite. Now, I have already discussed the rule in my previous videos. Do check the pinned comment section for other MCQ grammar exercises. You will understand these questions a lot better. Let's read now the options. Despite of being skilled in art, she was not taken to the competition. The very first rule, the most important rule, if you are beginning a sentence with despite, never use of. Incorrect, eliminated. Despite being skilled in art, she was not taken to the competition. Despite being skilled in art, she was not taken to the competitions. Now notice the error here. Competitions, plural, but in the question you have singular competition, eliminated. Despite being skilled in the art, she was not taken into the competition. Here there are two errors. Can you identify? Well, let me tell you. The art. Don't add anything unnecessarily. Here in the question we just have in art. No definite article in the question, so don't use that in the answer unnecessarily. And another error, taken into the competition. Here it is clearly mentioned in the question to. So we do not have to use into. So which one is the right answer? It's option B. Despite being skilled in art, she was not taken to the competition. So keep your eyes open and concentrate. Look for spelling mistakes, punctuation marks, everything. The police are looking into the matter. Provide a suitable question tag. Revise question tags as well. The police are looking into the matter, comma, did they? The police are looking into the matter, are they? The police are looking into the matter, aren't they? The police are looking into the matter, isn't they? The first option is incorrect. Did they is not the correct question tag. Here we have are. So did they is not correct. And here there is no question mark also. There is a full stop. These are the two errors. So eliminated the first option. Next, the police are looking into the matter. Are they? According to the rules of question tag, you are supposed to add negative question tag if the sentence is an affirmative sentence. Here it's are. So here you will have to use the negative question tag, not are. The police are looking into the matter. Aren't they? Question mark. Perfectly correct. So negative question tag and your question mark. Proper punctuation. So option C is the right answer and option D is incorrect because of incorrect usage of the question tag. Isn't the number. The police are, how can you write isn't? So incorrect and definitely eliminated. Option A, the master asked whether I understood the chapter clearly taught the previous day. The master asked whether I had understood the chapter clearly the previous day. Again, the same option, more or less, all the options are same. Go through the options and I'll explain one by one. The master asked whether I understood the chapter clearly taught the previous day. This is incorrect because the question here, it is in past tense. So past tense will change to past perfect, but here past tense is not changed to past perfect. Therefore, eliminate option A. The master asked whether I had understood. Here, past perfect. Past tense becomes past perfect. The master asked whether I had understood the chapter clearly the previous day. Yesterday must become the previous day. Here, this is also changed. First, let's analyze the other two options and then I'll tell you the right answer. The master asked whether I had understood, again past perfect. the chapter clearly taught the previous day. All the necessary changes have been made here. But this is incorrect. Now tell me why. I hope you have already understood the error. Yes, incorrect spelling of weather. It's W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather? No, you're supposed to write weather. W-H-E-T-H-E-R, eliminated. Next, the master asked whether I had understood the chapter clearly taught yesterday. Here, yesterday remains yesterday, no change. Therefore, incorrect. Option B is the right answer. He saw the bus rushing towards him and leaped aside. A compound sentence. Begin having. You will have to change this into a simple sentence. Having seen the bus rushing towards him, he leapt aside. Having seen the bus rushing towards him, he leaped aside. Having the bus rushing towards him, he leaped aside. Having seen the bus rushing toward him, he leaped aside. Toward? No. You're supposed to use towards. Eliminate it. Having the bus rushing towards him. Where is the word see, saw, whatever? So again, eliminate it. Having seen, incorrect construction. So again, eliminated. Option A is the right answer. Having seen the bus rushing towards him, he leaped aside. Next, he has disgraced his family. Use disgrace, parts of speech. He has brought disgrace to his family. How can you buy disgrace? Therefore, this is incorrect. He is a disgrace to his family. He was a disgrace to his family. He had been a disgrace to his family. The tense is important here. The question is in present tense. So, option C, past tense, eliminated. Again, option D, past tense, eliminated. He is a disgrace to his family is the right answer. Tense, spelling, punctuation, everything is important. He snatched the ball from him and scored a goal. Begin not only. And along with not only, you will have to use but also. Not only, but also. Not only did he snatch the ball from him, but also he scored a goal. Not only he snatches the ball from him, but also scores a goal. But question is in past tense. So how can we use present tense? Eliminate this immediately. Not only did he snatched, you are not supposed to write snatched, past tense along with did. Did he snatched, incorrect construction, incorrect usage. Again, eliminated. Not only did he snatch the ball from him, but also scored a goal is the right answer. Why is option A incorrect then? Here, you don't need to use he twice. It's better to use he just once. Not only did he snatch the ball from him, but also he scored a goal. This is the reason why I find that option D is more appropriate. And therefore, I have chosen option D. Both are more or less correct, but for this specific reason, I have chosen option D. Try not to use he twice. He is already mentioned, so no need to use the pronoun once again. Next, 9. Jenny was always punctual. Use the antonym. What is the meaning of antonym? Opposite of punctual. What is the opposite of punctual now? It's late. Jenny was seldom late. Jenny was not always late. Jenny was never late. Jenny was not late. Jenny was always punctual. So, Jenny was seldom late. The meaning is getting changed. This is incorrect. Jenny was not always late. No. This is also not right. Jenny was never late is the right answer. Always becomes never. Therefore, option C is the right answer. And Jenny was not late. I'm not talking about one or two instances. I'm talking about always. Therefore, along with the opposite of punctual, I'll also look for the opposite of always. Always becomes never and punctual becomes late. I worked hard to pass the examination. You saw that. I worked so hard that I could pass the examination. I worked so hard that I can pass the examination. Well, again, the question is in past tense. Therefore, option B is incorrect. I worked so hard that I will pass the examination. Incorrect use of tense, eliminated. I worked so hard that I may pass the examinations. Again, here, instead of may, we must write could. I worked so hard that I could pass the examination. Option A is the right answer. His eyes were fixed upon Della. Begin he. Active passive. Once again, he fixes his eyes upon Della. By now you know that if the question is in past tense, you cannot use present tense. Incorrect. He fixed his eyes upon Della. He fixed his eyes. Well, here, let me read this once again. He fixed his eye. Singular? No. In the question, plural eyes. Therefore, again, option B is incorrect. He fixed his eyes on Della, but question, we have upon. Therefore, the right answer is he fixed his eyes upon Della. Again, direct, indirect speech. Imperative sentence. He said to him, please wait here till I return. Begin he. And whenever you have please, always change the reporting verb into requested. Please will become requested in indirect speech. You are not supposed to write told if you have please in the question. He told him to please wait here till he returned. Well, this is incorrect. And here must become there. Again, an error. He asked him to wait there till he returned. The same thing. The spelling of returned is incorrect. And you are not supposed to write asked if there is please. He requested him to wait there till he returned, or he requested him to wait there till he returned. More or less the same option. So what is the error? Now look very carefully. The spelling of there. T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-I-R. Which one is correct? Come on. Yes, very quickly. Option C is the right answer. The spelling of there is correct. He requested him, requested a tick mark. He requested him to wait there till he returned. Return will become return. Direct indirect speech is a very important topic and it is complex as well. So practice direct indirect a lot. The man is too poor to pay his bills. Remove to. And how can you remove to? By using so, ... that. The man is so poor to pay his bills. Where is that? No that. So eliminate it at once. The man is so poor that he cannot pay his bills. This is the right answer. And now we'll analyze the other two options, the errors. The man is so poor that he could not pay his bills. Question is in present tense and along with so is so, you are supposed to write cannot. Could not is the wrong answer. The man is so poor that he may not pay his bills. The modal is different. This is incorrect. So option B is the right answer. Rima is one of the best girls in the class. One of the best girls. She is not the best, but one of the best girls. Use better instead of best. Good, better, best. Again, degree of comparison. Rima is better than any other girl in the class. Well, she is not the best. Therefore, we will not use any other girl. Rima is better than most other girls in the class. Rima is better than, again, the same thing, all other girls. This is not stated in the question. Rima is not as better as. You cannot use comparative degree like this with as good as would have been correct. Therefore, the right answer is Rima is better than most other girls. If you have one of the, you will have to use most other. So this is the right answer. 10 prepositions. Write your answers dash blue ink. So here the right answer is in blue ink. Many of you will make the mistake of writing with, but the right preposition here is write your answers in blue ink. They are sitting dash the dining table. Are they sitting on the dining table? Well, no. So the preposition is they are sitting at the dining table. You always sit at a table to do a work. I am senior to your sister, not than. Senior to, junior to. The teacher knows her students by name. India is committed dash a policy of peaceful existence to a policy of peaceful existence. Jagan is married dash Roshni to Roshni. The principal called dash the names of the winners, announced, called out. He was vexed dash Seema for her behavior, vexed with. Seema, vexed at Seema. So she was vexed with Seema for her behavior. He was vexed with Seema for her behavior. The next one, keep clear dash wicked boys. Keep clear of wicked boys, and the soldiers rebelled against the king. So score, what is your score? Let me know in the comment section.